Dito guys tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-edit ng hub kung gusto na iyo lamang lumakas ito tunog check natin bago natin simulan. Ang gamit pala natin na hub guys Max Zone 3 Pulse and 3 Teeth sundin na iyo lamang step ko kung paano mag-edit ng Max Zone sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam dyan panoorin na iyo lamang ito. Dito guys kumuha lamang kayo ng ballpen na may spring sa loob.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt.
Dito guys medyo nahirapan ako tanggilan kanyang pulse kaya in forward ko na lang para mas mabilis natin matapos. Dito guys pag kulang ilalagay nyo na spring ganito lang gawin nyo. To her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it. Dito naman guys magputol kayo ng tatlong spring katulad neto ganyan lang gawin nyo guys sundin na iyo lamang step. Dito naman guys ikabit na iyo agad yung power spring bago yung spring ng ballpen. Ay mali pala guys dito ikabit nyo yung pulse bago string ng ballpen.
Nice.
Dito guys nahirapan ako ipasok yung spring ng ballpen kaya in forward na lang natin. Dito guys kapag matigas ng konti pwede na yan ipasok at huwag kakalimutan lagyan ng grasya.
I am the one, the way you're talking.
Tunog check na natin guys kung nagustuhan mo man ang video na ito pwede makahingi ng like and follow. Thank you so much guys, love you, good bless.
Oh my